Hi, everyone. Yep, here we are. This is my fake Xavier background. So, thought maybe you'd enjoy seeing what we used to be doing, and now we're in this virtual environment. So, what I'm going to do is just take a quick minute here and show you a little bit of what I've set up to run our class. This is COM 207. So, I'm going to turn off the video just so I don't have to keep looking at myself. And here we go. Let me just show you a little of how Canvas will be working. So, on the home page here, you'll see these tabs on the left. Probably more important than anything else is just being able to use these tabs. What you've got here on the home page, I've updated the syllabus, changed my contact information, and I tried to keep this grid just as general as possible. But just once again, like we've used the whole semester, it gives you an overview of the date of when things are going to happen, what the topics are. The readings or videos are all going to be able to be found in the modules, but I did include the text chapters here. Assignments that are due, this just are the general assignments that we've had. You'll have to go, and this is an important tab, for the weekly overview, class exercises, discussions, kind of participation, other course material, you'll have to go to the actual module. So to get to the module tab, you can click on the module there, or you can go over here up to the left. The way the modules are set up, you'll see that there is, and I'm going to look at the first one here, there'll be in every module directions, kind of an overview, and in this case, since it's the first Get to Know You module, it's a little bit different. And then there'll be a to-do. To-do will reflect kind of what those assignments are. So as we head into our first week, and this is more of where you'll be headed, you'll see that when you click on, I'm going to use this as the example, but when you click on the module overview, it will give you the detail of what it is that we're going to be taking on. So for example, when I click on the module overview, first you'll see a table. The table will have what is included in terms of the due dates. There'll be just a brief overview, and I'll do this every week, where you'll get just an overview of the outcomes, how things are structured, what we'll be trying to focus on, a reading. This is a makeup assignment. If you didn't do this, it's due. We're giving you an extra extension, but this is in reference to the work we did right before spring break on Coach Carter. And then in this case, I have two videos, and you can access these one of two ways. You can just click, the video should be available and embedded in the module, or you can go down here and copy the URL. So two videos, and then from here, you'll have a discussion. And when you click on the discussion, oh brother, okay, so that didn't work. Um, Hold on a second, best laid plans, right? I probably just didn't publish it. Sorry, let me go back here real quick. When you click on the discussion, I'll just have to reset the link. It will give you the detail and tell you exactly what's available, what that original kind of primary post should be, and then what your kind of discussion is going to be about. Instead of getting into it right here, if you need help on going to the Canvas to manage a discussion, then I recommend that you go to this Canvas guide, and that will give you directions on how to load your information. All right, so back to the actual module. Um, each module will eventually be populated. What you'll see down here is that the lock date is set that they'll open on the Friday before. So essentially this one's opening today. This module will open on Friday, and this is not published yet. I'm really just trying to stay a little bit ahead of the curve. So I don't have everything completely finished, but you will see that each module gives you the dates, and then it will have the course material overview, and that will give you kind of the directions, and then it'll include a to-do list of what's left to do. So that's the module page. You can also go directly to the discussion page. On the discussion page, I'll pin the discussion that we're working on. So this discussion will be our discussion for the week. So when it's a discussion for the week, it'll be up top. If you click on the assignment page, you'll see that all the application activities are accessible here. Once the class exercises are set, they'll be accessible. The discussion's directly accessible, the quizzes, and any other assignments that we have will also be directly accessible. So we've got modules, we have discussions, we have the assignment page. If you want a quick link to Zoom, you can use that here. And then once again, the home page brings us back to this component. So just a quick overview to let you know how to use this, the Canvas course. And I recommend right away, if you would, if you haven't done so, get started on this is the prep for remote learning. So you can figure out what we've got going on by watching the videos and completing the quiz. Thanks.